All right, this is for my Gen X people out here. How many of you heard this growing up? You go to your parents, you go, "Oh, I wish I had some money to go to the movies with so and so." And your parents' response was, "Well, wish in one hand and shit in the other to see which one fills up quickest." That was basically their way of saying if you want something, you're going to have to work for it. We're all adults now, but that doesn't change. I see people every day in our generation going, "I wish I had a better life. I wish I had more money. I wish I could spend more time with my family." Well, that saying still holds true. Wish in one hand, shit in the other. See which one fills up quickest. So what I'm saying to you is, if you want a better life, if you want to be able to spend more time with the family, if you want to be able to travel like you want to, you are going to have to put in some work. You are going to have to do different things. Look at me. I'm Gen X. I never thought I'd be all over social media doing shit like this. Here I am. Why? Because I have figured out how to use social media to pay my bills. Do you want to learn the power, the real power of social media? Get in my FB group. Let's get it done.